Hello friends, welcome to INS Learning. நம்ம ஆல்ரெடி 6th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டேர்ம் அண்ட் செகண்ட் டேர்மில் இருக்க ஹிஸ்ட்ரி கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிட்டோம். இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது 6th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் தேர்ட் டேர்ம் உடைய ஹிஸ்ட்ரி தான். ஸோ இதில் டோட்டலாக பார்த்தீங்கன்னா மொத்தம் 4 லெசன்ஸ் இருக்குது. அதில் இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற லெசன் சொசைட்டி அண்ட் கல்ச்சர் இன் ஏன்ஷியன்ட் தமிழகம், த சங்கம் ஏஜ். வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். Learning objectives. To understand that Sangam Tamil literature is the main source for the study of ancient Tamil society. To know the rule of Moovendars, the Chera, Chola and the Pandya kings and their contemporary minor chieftains. To gain an understanding of the administrative system and the socio-economic conditions of the Tamilagam. To learn about the Kalabra period. The Sangam age. The word Sangam refers to the association of poets who flourished under the royal patronage of the Pandya kings at Madurai. The poems composed by these poets are collectively known as Sangam literature. The period in which these poems were composed is called Sangam age. Sources. Inscriptions. Hathikumpa inscription of King Karavela of Kalinga, Pugalur near Karur inscriptions. Ashokan edicts 2 and 8, an inscription found at Mangulam, Alagarmalai and Keelavalavu, all near Madurai. Arumuga Navalar, Jaffna, U.V. Saminatha Iyer and Damodram Pillai, Jaffna, strove hard and spent many years in retrieving and publishing the Tamil classics and the ancient Tamil text, which were originally present as palm leaf manuscripts. Copper plates la pathina Velvikudi and Chinnamanur copper plates. Coins issued by Cheras, Cholas, Pandyas and the chieftains of Sangam age as well as the Roman coins. Megalithic monuments, burials and hero stones. Excavated materials from Adichanallur, Arikamedu, Kodumanal, Puhar, Korkai, Alagankulam, Urayur. Literary sources. Tolkappiyam, 8 Thogai, 8 anthologies, 10 Pattu, 10 idylls, 11 Keezhkanakku, a collection of 18 poetic works, Pattinapalai and Madurai Kanji, epics Silappathigaram and Manimegalai. Foreign notices. The Periplus of the Erythraean Sea, Pliny's Natural History, Ptolemy's Geography, Megasthenes Indica, Rajavali, Mahavamsa and Deepavamsa. Tolkappiyam is the work of Tamil grammar. It represents the quality of Tamil language and the culture of Tamil people of the Sangam age. Time span. 3rd century BC to 3rd century AD. இந்த டைம் ஸ்பேன் பார்த்திங்கன்னா ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டண்ட். இதுதான் சங்கமுடைய டைம் பீரியட். ஸோ என்னென்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 3rd century BC to 3rd century AD. தமிழகம். Vengadam, Tirupati Hill in the north to Kanyakumari, Cape Comorin in the south, bounded by sea on the east and west. ஸோ இது வந்து சங்க காலத்தில் தமிழகம் அப்படிங்கிறது எதுலேருந்து எது வரைக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ திருப்பதி ஹில்லிருந்து கன்னியாகுமரி வரைக்கும். ஏஜ் பார்த்திங்கன்னா அயன் ஏஜ். கல்ச்சர் மெகாலித்திக் கல்ச்சர். பாலிட்டி கிங்ஷிப். டைனாஸ்டிஸ் ரூல்டு த சேராஸ், சோலாஸ் அண்ட் த பாண்டியாஸ். George L. Hatch, professor of Tamil language at the University of California, has said that Tamil is as old as Latin. The language arose as an entirely independent tradition with no influence of other languages. Cheras. Moovendars, the great kings, controlled the territories of Tamilagam during the Sangam age. The Tamil word Vendar was used to refer to 3 dynasties, namely Cheras, Cholas and Pandyas. Cheras ruled over the central and north Travancore, Cochin, South Malabar and Kongu region of Tamil Nadu. ஸோ எந்தெந்த ஏரியான்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா திருவனந்தபுரம், கொச்சின், அப்புறம் சவுத் மலபார், இன்னும் அது கீழே இருக்கிறது, அதுக்கப்புறம் கொங்கு ரீஜன், அதாவது இப்போ இருக்கிற கோயம்புத்தூர், திருப்பத்தூர், அந்த ரீஜியன்ஸ் எல்லாமே. The Paditru Pathu, a collection of 10 decades of verses, provides information about Chera kings. It is known that the Chera king Senguttuvan went on a military expedition to North India. He brought stones from Himalayas for making the idol of Kannagi, an epic character from Silappathigaram. He introduced Pathini cult. Cheran Senguttuvan's younger brother was Ilangovadigal. Pathini cult அப்படின்னா ஒரு பத்தினி தெய்வத்தை வந்து வழிபடுறது, இதுதான் பத்தினி கல்ட். யாருன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கண்ணகி. Cheran Senguttuvan's younger brother was Ilangovadigal. He was the author of Silappatikaram. Another Chera king, Cheral Irumporai, issued coins in his name. Some Chera coins bear their emblem of bow and arrow. Prominent Chera rulers: Udayan Cheraladan, Imayavarman Neduncheraladan, Cheran Senguttuvan, Cheral Irumporai. அடுத்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சோலாஸ் வந்துட்டோம். சோலா கிங்டம் ஆஃப் சங்கம் பீரியட் எக்ஸ்டெண்டட் அப் டு வேங்கடம் ஹில்ஸ். ஸோ திருப்பதி ஹில்ஸ் வரைக்கும் இருந்திருக்கு. The Kaveri Delta region remained the central part of the kingdom. This area was later known as Chola Mandalam. Karigal Valavan or Karigalan was the most famous of the Chola kings. He defeated the combined army of Cheras Pandyas and the 11 Velir chieftains who supported them at Venni, a small village in the Tanjavur region. He converted forest into cultivable lands. He built Kallanai, meaning a dam made of stone, across the river Kaveri to develop agriculture. இந்த வெண்ணி அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு இடம் இருக்கும். அந்த இடத்துல வந்து இவங்களெல்லாம் கரிகாலன் வந்து தோக்கடிச்சிருப்பார். Their port Puhar attracted merchants from various regions of the Indian Ocean. The Pattinapalai, a poetic work in the பதினெண்கீழ்கணக்கு, gives elaborate information of the trading activity during the rule of Karigalan. சேரனுக்கு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 10 சோலாக்கு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பட்டினப்பாலை. கல்லணை பற்றின இன்ஃபர்மேஷன்ஸ் இருக்கீங்க. It was a dike built with stones. It was constructed across the river Kaveri to divert water throughout the delta region for irrigation. When it was built, Kallanai irrigated an area of about 69,000 acres. Prominent Chola rulers யாருன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இளஞ்சேட் சென்னை, கரிகால் வளவன், கோச்செங்கண்ணன், கிள்ளி வளவன், பெருநர் கிள்ளி. ஸோ இதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நீங்கள் கேட்கலாம், இந்த சோலாஸில் ஏன் ராஜராஜ சோழன் பேர்லாம் இல்லை அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. ஸோ இப்போ நம்ம பார்த்துட்ருக்கிறது சங்க காலத்தில் இருந்த சேரா சோழா பாண்டியாஸை பற்றி. ராஜராஜ சோழன், ராஜேந்திர சோழன்லாம் வந்தது லேட்டர் சோலாஸில். ஸோ அதெல்லாம் வந்து நம்ம பின்னாடி படிப்போம். Pandyas. The Pandyas ruled the present-day southern Tamil Nadu. The Pandya kings patronized the Tamil poets and scholars. Several names of Pandya kings are mentioned in the Sangam literature. Neduncherian is hailed as the most popular warrior. He defeated the combined army of the Chera, Chola and 5 Velir chieftains at Talayalanganam. He is praised as a lord of Kurkai. Pandya country was well known for pearl hunting. Pandya kings issued many coins. Their coins have elephants on one side and fish on another side. Mudukudumbi Peruvazhuthi issued coins to commemorate his performance of many Vedic rituals. So prominent Pandya rulers பாருங்க: நெடியோன், நன்மாறன், முதுகுடுமி பெருவழுதி, நெடுஞ்செழியன். ஸோ இதுதான் அவங்களோட ஏரியாஸ். இங்கே வந்து சோலாஸ், இந்த சைடில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சேராஸ், அதுக்கப்புறம் இங்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பாண்டியாஸ். The titles assumed by மூவேந்தர்ஸ். சேரன்களை வந்து எப்படி அவங்களுக்குன்னு ஒரு சில டைட்டில்ஸ் கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. அதை வச்சு அந்த மன்னனோட பேரும் சேர்த்து வந்து கூப்பிடுவாங்க. அந்த மாதிரி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஆதவன், குட்டுவன், வானவன், இரும்புரை இதெல்லாம் வந்து சேரர்களுக்கு கொடுத்த அந்த பட்டை பெயர்கள். சோழர்களுக்கு சென்னி, செம்பியன், கிள்ளி, வளவன் இதெல்லாமே வந்து சோழர்களுக்கு கொடுத்த பெயர்கள். பாண்டியன் மாறன், வழுதி, செழியன், தென்னர். Royal insignia: spectre, coal, drum, murasu and white umbrella வெண்குடை were used as symbols of royal authority. மூவேந்தர் கார்லான்னா அவங்களுக்கான அந்த பூ, அதுக்கடுத்து போர்ட், அதுக்கப்புறம் கேபிட்டல் சொல்கிறாங்க, அதுக்கப்புறம் சிம்பிள் சொல்கிறாங்க. சேராஸ்க்கு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பல்மைரா ஃப்ளவர், போர்ட் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா முசிறி இல்லை தொண்டி, கேபிட்டல் வஞ்சி இல்லைன்னா கரூர். சிம்பிள்ஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா போ அண்ட் ஆரோ. சோலாஸ் ஃபிக், அத்திப்பூ, போர்ட் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா புகார், கேபிட்டல் உறையூர், புகார். சிம்பிள்ஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா டைகர். பாண்டியாஸ் மர்கோசா, அதாவது நீம் ஃப்ளார். போர்ட் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கொர்க்கை, கேபிட்டல் மதுரை. சிம்பிள்ஸ் டூ ஃபிஷ். Minor chieftains. ஆய், வெளிர், கீழர். Apart from three great kings, there were several brave independent minor chieftains. Minor chieftains-னா குறுநீல மன்னர்கள். இந்த பெரிய பெரிய ராஜாக்கள் கீழே இருப்பாங்க இவங்க. The name ஆய் is derived from the ancient Tamil word ஐயர், meaning shepherd. ஐயர் இல்லைங்க, ஆயர். ஆயர் meaning shepherd. Among ஆய் chiefs of Sangam age, Andiran, Tittiran and Nannan were the important names. The Velirs, Vellalars constituted the ruling and the land-owning class of the ancient Tamilagam. The famous Velirs were the 7 patrons. Kadiyel Vallalgal, they were Pari, Kari, Ori, Pagan, Ay, Adiyaman and Nalli. They were popular for their generous patronage of Tamil poets. Kizhar was the village chief. ஸோ இது வந்து கிழார்னு நினைக்கிறேன். கிழார் இது. கிழார் தான் வந்து வில்லேஜுடைய சீஃபாக இருப்பார். சங்கம் பாலிட்டி. Kingship. The kingship was hereditary. The king was called Go. It is the shortened form of Kon. Vendan, Kon, Mannan, Kotravan and Iraivan were the other titles by which king was addressed. The eldest son of the reigning king generally succeeded to the throne. The coronation ceremony was known as Arasu Kattilerudal or Mudisootu Vila. The crown prince was known as Komahan, while the young was known as Ilango or Ilanjerian and Ilanjeral. King held a daily darbar, Nal Avai, at which he heard and resolved all the disputes. The income to the state was through taxation. The land tax was the main source of revenue and it was called Irai. This apart, the state collected tolls and customs, sungam, tributes and fines. The kings and soldiers wore the heroic anklet, Veerakazhal. On the anklet, the name and achievement of the wearer were blazoned. Spies were used not only to find out what was happening within the country but also in foreign countries. A wound in the back was considered a disgrace, and there are instances of kings fasting unto death because they had suffered such a wound in the battle. The court. The king's court was called Arasavai. The king occupied a ceremonious throne in the court called Ariyanai. In the court, the king was surrounded by officials, distinguished visitors and court poets. The rulers had fivefold duties. They were encouraging, learning, performing rituals, presenting gifts, protecting people and punishing the criminals. Ambassadors were employed by the kings. They played a significant role. The king was assisted by a number of officials. They were divided into Aimperungulu, 5-member committee, and Enberayam, 8-member group. Army. The king's army consists of 4 divisions, namely infantry, cavalry, elephants and chariot force. The army was known as Padai. The chief of the army was known as Thanai Talaivan. The prominent weapons used during this period were sword, kedayam, shield, tomaram, spears, bows and arrows. Tomaram is mentioned as a missile to be thrown at the enemy from a distance. The place where the weapons were kept was known as Padaikottil. The forts were protected by deep moats and trenches. The war drum was worshipped as a deity. Law and justice. The king was the final authority for appeal. In capital town, the court of justice was called Avai. In the villages, Mandram served as a place for dispensing justice. In civil cases, the method of a trial followed was to call upon the plaintiff to thrust his hand into a pot containing a cobra. If a cobra bit him, he was sentenced. If a cobra did not bite him, he was considered innocent and acquitted. Punishment was always severe. Execution was ordered for theft cases. The punishment awarded for other crimes including beheading, mutilation of the offending limbs of the body, torture and imprisonment, and imposition of fines. Local administration. The entire kingdom was called Mandalam. Mandalam was divided into Nadus. Kurum was subdivision of Nadu. The Ur was a village classified into Perur, big village, Sirur, a small village, and Mudur, an old village, depending upon its population size and antiquity. Pattinam was the name of a coastal town, and Puhar was the general term for harbour town. Important towns: Puhar, Urayur, Korkai, Madurai, Musuri, Vanji or Karur, and Kanji. Thinai, tract based Sangam society. The landform was divided into 5 Thinais, ecoregions. Thinai, pathina first Kurinji, landscape enna. Kurinji, actually the landscape தப்பா கொடுத்திருக்காங்க பல்மைரா ஃப்ளோர்னு சொல்லி. குறிஞ்சி வந்து hill region. Occupation பார்த்தீங்கன்னா hunting and gathering. People என்னன்னு சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா குறவர் இல்லை குறத்தியர்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. அவங்களுடைய கடவுள் யாருன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா முருகன். அடுத்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா முல்லை. லேண்ட்ஸ்கேப் வந்து ஃபாரஸ்ட் ரீஜியன். ஆக்குபேஷன் என்னன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஹர்டிங். பீப்புள் ஆயர் ஆய்ச்சியர். டெய்டி வந்து மாயோன். மருதம் லேண்ட்ஸ்கேப் ரிவரைன் ட்ராக், அதாவது பிளெயின்ஸ். விவசாயம் தான் அவங்களுடைய தொழில். பீப்புள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உழவன் உழத்தியர் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. டெய்டி வந்து இந்திரன். நெய்தல் கோஸ்டல் ரீஜியன். ஃபிஷ்ஷிங், சால்ட் மேக்கிங், இதுதான் அவங்களுடைய தொழில். பீப்புள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பரத்தவர், நுளத்தியர். டெய்டி வருணன். திணை பாலை. லேண்ட்ஸ்கேப் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பார்ச்டு லேண்ட். ஆக்குபேஷன் ஹீரோயிக் டீட்ஸ். பீப்புள் மறவர் மரத்தியர். Deity கொற்றவை. Land was classified according to its fertility. Marudam was called Menpulam, fertile land. It produced paddy and sugarcane. The rest of the landscape, excluding Nedal, was called Vanpulam, hard land, and it produced pulses and dry grains. Status of women. There was no restriction for women in social life. There were learned and wise women. 40 women poets had lived and left behind their valuable works. Marriage was a matter of self-choice. However, chastity, karpu, was considered the highest virtue of women. Sons and daughters had equal shares in their parents' property. Women poets of Sangam age: Avvayar, Velli Vidiyar, Kakkai Padiniyar, Adi Mandayar, Ponmudiyar. Religious beliefs and social divisions. The primary deity of the Tamils was Seyon or Murugan. Other gods worshipped during Sangam period were Shivan, Mayon, Vishnu, Indran, Varunan, and Kotravai. The hero stone, Nadukal worship, was in practice. Buddhism and Jainism also coexisted. Veerakal or Natukal. The ancient Tamils had a great respect for the heroes who died in the battlefield. The hero stones were erected to commemorate heroes who sacrificed their lives in war. Caste did not develop in Tamilagam as it did in the northern India. Varna system, occupation-based caste, came to the Dravidian south comparatively late. Dress and ornaments. The rich people wore muslin, silk, and fine cotton garments. The common people wore 2 pieces of cloths made of cotton. The Sangam literature refers to clothes which were thinner than the skin of a snake, Kalingam. Women adorned their hair plaits with flowers. Both men and women wore a variety of ornaments. They were made of gold, silver, pearls, precious stones, conch shells, and beads. The people were fond of using aromatic perfumes. Arts. There are many references to variety of musical instruments such as drum, flute, and yar. Karigalan was a master of 7 notes of music, Elisai Vallavan. Singing bards were called Panar and Viraliyar. Dancing was performed by Kanigayar. Kuthu, folk drama, was the most important cultural practice of the people of Sangam age. They developed the concept of Muttamil, Iyal, Isai, Natagam. Occupation. The major occupations of the Tamil people were agriculture, cattle rearing, fishing, and hunting. Other craftsmen like carpenter, blacksmith, goldsmith, and potters were also part of the population. Weaving was the most common part-time occupation of the farmers and a regular full-time job for many others. Festivals and entertainments. People celebrated several festivals. The harvest festival, Pongal, and the festival of spring, Kartigai, were some of them. Indravila was celebrated in the capital. There were many amusements and games. This included dances, festivals, bullfights, cockfights, dice, hunting, wrestling, and playing in swings. Children played with the toy cart and with the sand houses made by them. Trade. Trade existed at 3 levels: local, overland, and overseas. The extensive and lucrative foreign trade that Tamilaham enjoyed during this period stands testimony to the fact that Tamils had been great seafarers. Warehouses for storing the goods were built along the coast. The chief ports had lighthouses which were called Kalangarai Langu Sudar. Caravans of merchants carried their merchandise to different places in oxen-driven carts. Barter system was prevalent. Malabar black pepper. When the mummy of Ramses II of the Egypt was uncovered, archaeologists found black pepper corns stuffed into his nostrils and in his abdomen as a part of embalming process practiced in olden days. There were two kinds of markets or bazaars in the leading cities like Puhar and Madurai. In Madurai, they were Nalangadis, the morning bazaar, and Allangadis, the evening bazaar. In these markets, large varieties as well as large quantities of goods were sold and purchased. Major ports: Mussoorie, Tondi, Kurkai. Main exports: salt, pepper, pearls, ivory, silk, spices, diamonds, saffron, precious stones, muslin, sandalwood. Main imports: topaz, tin, wine, glass, horses. Silk supplied by Indian merchants to the Roman Empire was considered so important that the Roman Emperor Aurelian declared it to be worth its weight in gold. Mussoories, the first emporium. The Roman writer Pliny the Elder writes of Mussoories in his Natural History as the first emporium shopping complex of India. A temple of Augustus was built at Mussoories, which had a Roman colony. A papyrus document now in Vienna Museum of 2nd century BC records the agreement between two merchants, shippers of Alexandria and Mussoories. Trade contact with overseas countries. Archaeological excavations have confirmed the trading relations between the Tamilaham and the countries such as Greece, Rome, Egypt, China, Southeast Asia, and Sri Lanka. Calabras. Towards the end of the 3rd century AD CE, the Sangam period slowly went into the decline. Following the Sangam period, the Calabras had occupied the Tamil country for about 2.5 centuries. we have very little information about Calabras. They left neither artifacts nor monuments, but there is evidence of their rule in literary text. The literary sources for this period include Tamil Navalar Chittirai, Yapparangalam, and Periya Puranam. Sivaka Sindhamani and Kundalakesi were also written during this period. In Tamilagam, Jainism and Buddhism became prominent during this period. Introduction of Sanskrit and Prakrit languages had resulted in the development of new script called Vatteluthu. Many works under Padinen Keelkanakku were composed. Trade and commerce continued to flourish during this period, so the Kalabara period is not a dark age as it is portrayed. சம்ம காலத்தில் என்ன நடந்திருக்கு அப்படின்னா, கேட்வே Han Dynasty, China 206 BC to 220 AD. Pyramid, Mayan civilization, Central America. Colosseum, Roman civilization, Italy. 3rd BC to 1 AD. ஸோ அவ்வளோதான், இதோட இந்த லெசன்ஸ் முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. சம்மரி பார்க்கலாம். The word Sangam refers to the association of poets who flourished under the royal patronage of the Pandya kings at Madurai. Moovendars, the Chera, Cholas and the Pandyas controlled the territories of the Tamilagam during the Sangam age. Apart from 3 great monarchs, Tamil country was ruled by several independent minor chieftains. Archaeological excavations have confirmed the trading relations between Tamilagam and many foreign countries. Towards the end of the 3rd century AD, the Sangam period slowly started to decline. The Kalabras occupied the Tamil country. Evidence of their rule is available in Jain and Buddhist literature. அவ்வளோதான் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், எந்த லெசன் இதோடு முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. நான் நெக்ஸ்ட் லெசனோட அடுத்த வீடியோவில் உங்களை மீட் பண்ணுறேன். தேங்க்யூ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங்.